POWERTEC's UT1006 router table stand is a universal tool that can be used to mount anything, from a bandsaw to a sander grinder. Not just router tables. With 400-pound weight capacity, it's definitely strong. And versatile? For sure. You can also add casters. Straight out of the box, you'll notice the heavy 16-gauge sheet metal construction. The protective coat is a satin blue-gray powder finish. It's a stand that's built both to last and look good. The adjustable feet allow a height range of about 30 inches to 34 3/8 inch. Work at the right height for you. And as you can see by all the nuts, bolts, and washers, this is all assembled by hand. No power tools required. Assembly is quick. We start by making the front and back frame and then join them using the short tie bars. A few things to note. The stand uses cartridge bolts to lock the frame in place. Also, as you build a frame, we recommend hand screwing all of the nuts and bolts in place. Don't tighten them until the stand is completed, as you'll later set the stand. Assembling the stand. As you've probably noticed, the aprons and stretchers are interchangeable. In this case, we're calling them long tie and short tie bars. Start assembly by building the front and back of the stand. Here you take the two legs and join them with two long tie bars, one acting as apron at the top, the other as stretcher down near the feet. With the front and back sections complete, we can then join them together using the four remaining and identical short tie bars. With the stand assembled, place it on a smooth, flat surface and use a square ruler as your guide to check that the legs stand perpendicular to the table apron. Only then fully tighten the bolts at the top or apron of the stand. Afterwards, all of the stretcher pieces, the support near the feet, can be tightened, but in this case you won't need to use the square ruler. The adjustable feet allow a height range. Set them at a height comfortable for you, taking into consideration how thick the stand top will be and/or how high the tools it'll be supporting are. And yes, you can use casters. They're safe to use as long as the casters match the stand's weight capacity, which is up to 400 pounds. We recommend POWERTEC 17201 casters, which we rate for 600 pounds, or POWERTEC 17202 casters at 400 pounds. And here we are, finally installing our router table on the POWERTEC UT1006 Premium Stand-Up Router Table Stand. Alternatively, you could use this as a side workbench, but then again, there are so many alternative uses for this stand. Good luck on your projects and work safe.